In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 budget to best immersion blenders of 2026 on Amazon. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 budget to best immersion blenders of 2026 on Amazon. Number 1, Turelar Cordless Immersion Blender, rechargeable handheld blender with adjustable speed, portable heavy-duty stick blender for smoothies, soups, purees, and baby food. Cordless and rechargeable battery-powered design lets you blend without being restricted by a power cord. Portable to-go design, convenient for use in different areas of the kitchen and easy to store when not in use. Adjustable speed control, choose the blending speed to suit different ingredients and recipes. Heavy duty performance, designed to handle a variety of everyday blending tasks. Versatile kitchen tool, ideal for smoothies, soups, purees, sauces, and baby food. Handheld immersion design, blend directly in suitable pots, bowls, cups, or containers for added convenience. Easy everyday operation, simple handheld design makes it convenient for quick food preparation. Rechargeable battery eliminates the need to keep the blender connected to an outlet while blending. The Turelar Cordless Immersion Blender combines portable convenience with versatile blending performance. Its rechargeable cordless design allows you to blend without being limited by a power cable, making it convenient for everyday kitchen. Number 2, MuellerLiving Ultra Stick Immersion Hand Blender, 500W heavy-duty motor, 8-speed turbo, whisk, milk frother and measuring beaker. 500W heavy-duty motor provides strong blending performance for a variety of everyday kitchen tasks. 8-speed plus turbo setting, adjustable speed control gives you flexibility for different ingredients and recipes. Immersion blending shaft, blend soups, sauces, smoothies, purees, and other foods directly in suitable containers. Whisk attachment, useful for mixing eggs, batters, cream. Number 3, Cuisinart Smart Stick 2-speed hand blender, 300W powerful immersion blender, corded, for smoothies, soups, sauces, purees, and baby food. Silver. 300W motor provides reliable blending power for everyday kitchen preparation. 2-speed control, choose between 2 blending speeds for different ingredients and recipes. Corded design provides continuous power without needing to recharge a battery. Immersion blending, blend directly in suitable pots, bowls, cups, or containers for convenient preparation. Versatile food preparation, ideal for smoothies, shakes, soups, sauces, purees, and baby food. Compact handheld design, easy to handle and convenient to store in smaller kitchens. Silver finish, clean, classic styling, complements a variety of kitchen appliances. The Cuisinart Smart Stick 2-speed hand blender combines a 300-watt motor with a simple 2-speed control for convenient everyday blending. Its corded design provides continuous power, making it ready to use whenever you need to prepare a recipe. The immersion design allows you to blend suitable ingredients directly in a pot, bowl, cup, or other container, reducing the need to transfer food to a separate countertop blender. It's suitable for making smoothies, shakes, soups, sauces, purees, and baby food. With its compact handheld design and straightforward controls, the Cuisinart Smart Stick CSB 175 SVP1 is a practical choice for home cooks looking for a simple and versatile immersion blender. Number 4, Vitamix 5-speed immersion blender 3-piece bundle, stainless steel blades, 5-speed control, one-handed operation, whisk and storage case. 5-foot cord. 5-speed control, adjustable speeds provide greater control for blending different ingredients and recipes. Powerful immersion design, blend directly in suitable pots, bowls, cups, or other containers. Stainless steel blades, durable stainless steel blades are designed for efficient everyday blending. One-handed operation, convenient controls make it easier to operate the blender with one hand. Whisk included adds versatility for whipping, mixing, and preparing a variety of recipes. Storage case included helps keep the blender and accessories organized when not in use. 5-foot power cord provides added flexibility when working around the kitchen. Blend in any container. Immersion design allows convenient blending without requiring a dedicated blender jar. The Vitamix 5 Braun MultiQuick 7-3-in-1 Immersion Blender and Food Processor, adjustable speed control, ergonomic handle, whisk, beaker and 2-cup chopper. 3-in-1 kitchen appliance combines immersion blending, whisking, and food chopping in one versatile tool. Adjustable speed control easily adjust blending speed to match different ingredients and recipes. Ergonomic handle comfortable grip provides better control during extended food preparation. Detachable attachments convenient removable accessories make it easier to switch between different kitchen tasks. Blending beaker included useful for preparing smoothies, sauces, soups, purees, and other blended recipes. Whisk attachment ideal for whipping, mixing, beating eggs, and preparing creams or batters. 2-cup chopper helps chop vegetables, herbs, nuts, and other suitable ingredients quickly. Versatile. Immersion design blend directly in suitable pots, bowls, or containers for convenient preparation. The Braun MultiQuick 7-3-in-1 Immersion Blender and Food Processor is designed to combine several everyday kitchen tasks into one convenient appliance. Its versatile system includes an immersion blender, whisk, and 2-cup chopper, helping reduce the need for multiple separate kitchen tools. The adjustable speed control provides flexibility for different ingredients and recipes, while the ergonomic handle is designed for comfortable handling and improved control. The detachable attachments make switching between blending, whisking, and chopping simple. The included beaker is convenient for smoothies, sauces, soups, and purees, while the whisk handles mixing and whipping tasks. The 2-cup chopper provides a convenient way to process suitable vegetables, herbs, nuts, and other ingredients. With its 3-in-1 functionality and versatile attachments, the Braun MultiQuick 7 is a practical choice for home cooks who want a flexible kitchen tool for everyday food preparation.